Hello friends, and welcome to my next video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful turmeric sandalwood whitening cream mask, which is perfect if you want to get rid of the tan and if you want to get rid of freckles, dark spots and similar stuff. So to make this, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and I'm going to put them in a bowl. Next, I'm going to add the same amount of rose water, so it's going to be 2 teaspoons. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. After that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of organic honey. It's perfect if you want to nourish your skin. After I've put all of these ingredients into the bowl, I'm going to mix and stir until I get the consistency I want to have. And after everything is mixed, I can add other ingredients. So first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of powder milk, which is perfect for skin whitening. After that, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and just a 1/4 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. And now I'm going to repeat the mixing and stirring process once again. I'm going to mix these until they're all combined. And you can also change the consistency if you like. So if you want this to be more creamy, you can add more aloe vera gel, which is what I did in this recipe, but you can also leave it like this, because after you leave it in the fridge for a while, it's going to get thicker. And after I've mixed everything together, and you will see the consistency I have, so it's going to look pretty much creamy. And after that, you just need to transfer it into some plastic container. So I'm using here these 2 small containers. So the amount I made is enough for these 2 smaller containers. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge. You can use this every night before going to sleep. Use it after you wash your face and leave it on for like 30 minutes. After that, you can wash it off. Thank you very much for watching this. Give me a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye!